If you want to show appreciation for TikToks without alerting your followers, consider using a silent repost method. While TikTok doesn't have a feature for silent reposting, you can comment silent repost or use the hashtag silent repost to express your admiration for a video. Another option is to create a collection called Silent Repost and add your favorite TikToks there. This collection can be kept public or private, depending on your preference. Remember, although some claim that creating a folder named Silent Repost will repost videos silently, this is not true. To create a Silent Repost collection, tap the bookmark icon on a video, select Create a New Collection, name it, choose public or private, and save. Others can view your Silent Repost collection by tapping the bookmark icon on your profile.